Hello and welcome back to episode 1 of Kenyan cuisine, and today we're preparing mseto maharagwe, a Swahili name for rice and beans that is made in one pot. This food was very delicious and nutritious as well, so let's prepare it. So first you're going to soak your beans for 2 hours or just overnight, and then you're going to wash and rinse to remove the blotting agents. Then boil this for around 25 minutes on a pressure cooker or 40 minutes on a slow cooker, or until your beans is done 80%, not soft or hard. And for this recipe, these are the ingredients that we're going to use. You're going to need ginger and garlic, onion, blended tomatoes and carrots, beans, seasoning cube, peanut butter and desiccated coconuts are optional, and you also feel free to use coconut milk. Over a medium heat, add some oil in a cooking pot, and then you're going to add your sliced onions and garlic and saute this for around 1 minute. Once they are brown, add your blended tomatoes and carrot, salt, curry powder, seasoning cube, and you're going to stir this to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now add your beans and double the water measurement as per the rice. Mix everything together and cover and once the water has boiled, add your already washed rice, peanut butter, desiccated coconut, and at this point the aroma is just to die for. Cover using aluminum foil, reduce the flame and let it cook. So because of peanut butter, remember to turn on intervals to avoid your food from sticking in the bottom. And now your food is ready. You can enjoy this meal as it is or accompany it with avocado. So stay tuned for more amazing Kenyan cuisine recipes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.